Hi friends, welcome to WebChamp. In this video, I'm going to discuss one interview question on SQL. What is the difference between union and union all? So let's say you have a multiple select statements and you have to fetch the data using different multiple two or more select queries. In that case, you might need to append the data one below the another. So to perform this, union and union all operators are used in SQL. But yes, there is a difference between these two. So let's say in your data sets, you might get a duplicate data from different select queries. And if any data gets duplicated, so it's up to you whether you have to keep the duplicate data or you have to remove the duplicate data. That is what the difference between union and union all. Let's say you don't want to keep the duplicate data. So meaning you may want to eliminate the duplicates records from multiple queries. So union is the statement that we can use to do so. Okay. And if you want to keep the duplicate records from the multiple queries, in that case, we can use union all. Let's see how this works in SQL. Okay, so here what I have is, first one is a select statement, and this one has employee, employee name, employee title, employee department, and employee salary. These 4-5 columns are there. In both the tables, obviously, whenever you have to append the data in all your select queries, number of columns should be same. Column order or column sequence should be same. Then and then only you can perform the append operation. So now let's say I wanted to combine the result of these two. But if you look here, 101, 102 in employee 2 table is exist as it is in the employee 1 table, right? 101 and 102. And let's say if you use union here, so it's completely depends upon what you want to do. Okay, whether you want to keep the duplicate records, you can use union all, or if you don't want to keep the duplicate records, so you can use union statement only. If I execute this, you can see that 101, 102 is appearing only once in our final output. But instead of this, if I use union all, and if I run this, so you can see that 101, 101 here, 102, 102 is getting duplicated in our final output. So this is what the difference between union and union all operator in SQL. So I hope you like the content of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day.